Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by ensuring the watch and your wrist are clean. Dust or oils affect seals and comfort. Once clean, unscrew the crown or pull to the first position to set the date and to the second to set time. Rotate smoothly to avoid damaging gears. For manual watches, wind with 30 to 40 gentle turns. For automatics, give several clockwise winds and then wear to build reserve. Make sure to set AM/PM correctly, since date changes at midnight could be off otherwise. Next, adjust the bracelet or strap so the watch sits snugly with about 1/2 to 1 full finger clearance. Use the micro adjust on the clasp or remove links with a pin tool. Once comfortable, wear the watch regularly to keep automatic movement charged, but avoid magnets, strong heat, and chemical exposure that compromise accuracy in seals. Make sure to avoid quick setting the date during the 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. window to prevent damaging the date change mechanism, and rotate crown actions slowly and deliberately. Finish by protecting the watch with routine maintenance. Schedule service every 3 to 5 years and replace gaskets to maintain water resistance. Once done, store in a dry place and use a watch winder for automatics if unused for days. If the crown won't turn, first confirm a screw-down crown is unlocked. If the watch gains or loses more than about 30 seconds per day, make sure it is fully wound and worn, and then consult a service center for regulation or repair. That troubleshooting tip solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.